Okay, this is Mattress Day with Cal Root Peg and wife, known as the Lost RVers. We're taking off on trip number 19 to the Grand Canyon. About 2,000 mile, a little bit more round trip from us. We have about 8 days to do it in, so we're going to do a lot of driving. First thing we had to do though is replace this RV mattress with a good one. Waited 3 weeks. We ordered it 3 weeks ago. It's coming in today. We're going to hook up this trailer and just tow it right on up there, let them put it in. Who wants to hassle with it? Plus, of course, it's pouring down rain. Probably snowing up there now. That's what we're doing. So this trip number 19, it's about 10 days away. The new mattress, bought a drone. The other drone went into the lake at Lake Collins, but I bought another one. And we're taking off. We don't have anything pre-planned. Probably do a Route 66. Probably do every little stop that we can make that makes sense. It's going to be cold, baby, cold out there. This is February. We're going to be up there around February. Anywhere between the 5th and the 8th through, the 16th, 17th, something like that. We aren't sure quite yet. But we're taking off. And have no plans for anything other than to go up there and come on back in this Mesa Ridge 21 FB. So that's the story. That's what we're going to do. Towing this up the hill to have them put in the mattress, and then we'll be done for until we go. Just a teaser. Grand Canyon ho soon. Bye. There it is. Our mattress is being put in. Plus is coming out, and we're ready. We're at Ashley's Home Furnishings in Grass Valley, California. These kind gentlemen just put it in, took off the plastic, and there it is. You can sit in there. Big moment. It's a big moment. There it is, hanging over about 4 inches. Perfect. All right, the mattress moving day. How cool is this? See you guys. We made it back. And we've installed our blankets. There it is. That's a regular queen size 60 by 80 Sealy, I believe it is. Not a foam mattress. And that's the problem with the RV mattresses. They're just foam. And when foam collapses during the night from your weight, you're sleeping in a darn hole. All right. So phase 1 of getting ready to get ready to go to the Grand Canyon in February. It's going to be cold. We're at, what's this, January 20th, somewhere around there. So we're just getting things queued up. Now I'm going to go inside and open up that drone box, and I'll show you that. Bye. Cal Root Peg and wife getting ready for our Grand Canyon Blitzkrieg. 8 days, 2,000 miles. So we bought some stuff for the trip. This is one of them, a gimbal stabilizer grip for a phone. Now I was going to buy, and I can't wait to get this out. That way I'll have 2 hands to show people what I'm doing. This is one of them. So this is the gimbal. Oh, it even has a zipper. Can you do this with one hand? Yes, I'm good at doing things with one hand. Ha ha, get it? Sick. So we bought this. I did. Oh, there it is. Check this out. Because we are going to the Grand Canyon, and if I can keep things from shaking around, because you see my videos, as I walk, I kind of swaddle. So this should help me. Ooh. This should help me with the swaddling. Check that out. This was like $89 plus tax on Amazon. So I picked this up for that particular reason for this trip. It's the Steady Mobile 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbal for a smartphone. Now that's number 2. The first one was the mattress. This is the camera holder. And right over there, ooh, baby, ooh, a new drone because my last drone went into Collins Lake. So I'll be back and we'll play with this and see if I believe it has a tripod right here so I can hook it up and then be real professional. Ooh, babe, what do you think? All right, talk to you guys in a bit. Bye. All right, there she is. There she is, folks. This is the DC-08 DROCON drone. I just stuck it together so you can see I haven't put the battery in. It takes about 4 hours to charge. And there's the 1080 camera. It's not 4K. Remote operation. You can raise it and lower it while in flight. Okay, we're gonna tag out this video, this gem of a video, with the DC-08 DROCON drone, fully put together. There's the camera. It's a 1080. It remote controls from here. It has GPS. It has return to base. It has hover. It has follow. It has a preset design course that you can somehow program into the app. We got our gimbal. Figured that out finally. Down here you have all kinds of settings. Zoom, in and out, up, down, left, right, whatnot. It does keep it level. It does keep it from shaking. It eats up a lot of battery power in your phone, though. There's the case to it. And that's about it, folks. We got the mattress put in yesterday, and that's it. Now we just sit and wait, watch the hours click by and the days click off, and then we're taking off to the Grand Canyon. What a blitzkrieg. About 2,000 miles, 8 days. Figure a day and a half there, a couple of days there, a day and a half back, maybe a day in Vegas. Now I have a story. I lived in Vegas and I drove through an apartment wall when I was 16 years old. Drove through it. I thought I killed people because my truck landed on someone's bed. And it looked like the, Wizard of Oz with the legs sticking out, under the house. And it was 2 o'clock in the morning. I was in a 1946 Ford pickup truck with 3 windows in the back, and I traded it away. I should have kept it. Worth a fortune now. Anyway, I drove backwards through an apartment wall. I told that story over and over to my wife, and we got married. We took a ride out to Vegas just to see the wall, and it's still there. So I may just go out to Vegas to get that picture and maybe take in a show, and then I'll come back, and then we'll put the video together. I know you can't wait. So there it is again. There's the drone. There's the camera. There's the gimbal. There's the remote. There's the box. 2 minutes and 31 seconds. The mattress is in the 21 FB Mesa Ridge travel trailer that we just bought. Hooked up to our F-150 4x4 pick-me-up truck. And we're on trip number 19 in the year 2020. Trip number 1 in 2020. So until we take off, we'll see you guys later. This is Cal Root Peg and Wife. We're the Lost RVers. And that name just happened to come upon us. We didn't design it. It was just something that stuck. Anyway, see you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button. You don't have to watch them, but it's always nice to know that you can find me if you so choose. See you on the road. Bye.